Hello and welcome to this video about Liang Bua Cave, an archaeological site located on the island of Flores in Indonesia. Liang Bua Cave gained international attention when the remains of a new species of human, Homo Floresiensis, were discovered there in 2003. Before we dive into today's video, I want to take a quick moment to remind you to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on any of the new videos I upload every week. Plus, it's a great way to show support for my channel and help me continue to create more content for you. So if you enjoy what you're seeing, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you're always up to date. Thanks for tuning in. Let's get started. The cave itself is a limestone formation that was created through a process of erosion. It is located in a valley near the Racking River and is about 50 meters above sea level. The cave is roughly 25 meters wide and 4 meters high, with a floor area of about 100 square meters. The discovery of Homo Floresiensis at Liang Bua Cave is significant because it challenges our understanding of human evolution. This species, which lived on the island of Flores between 100,000 and 50,000 years ago, was much smaller than modern humans and had a brain size similar to that of a chimpanzee. The discovery of Homo Floresiensis has also raised questions about how they arrived on the island of Flores and how they survived there. Some researchers believe that they may have evolved from an earlier species of human that migrated to the island, while others suggest that they may have been the descendants of a group of modern humans who became isolated on the island. Excavations at Liang Bua Cave have also revealed evidence of other prehistoric animals, such as giant rats and Komodo dragons, as well as stone tools and other artifacts. The site has been the subject of extensive scientific study, with researchers from around the world contributing to our understanding of human evolution. Despite its importance, Liang Bua Cave is not without its challenges. The cave is located in a remote area of Flores, making it difficult to access, and it is also threatened by erosion and other environmental factors. Efforts are underway to preserve the site and ensure that it continues to be an important resource for scientific research. In conclusion, Liang Bua Cave is a remarkable archaeological site that has provided us with important insights into human evolution. The discovery of Homo Floresiensis has challenged our understanding of what it means to be human, and the site continues to be an important resource for researchers and scientists around the world. Thank you for watching.